Oh, here comes two in a row.
That's Oscar's one. That's the one I definitely want to put in the video.
Yeah, swim my double.
Oh, it's got 4 and there's 81 on it. No, makes sense. No, I don't.
I guess McLaren.
It's just McLaren, yeah. Even when driving the lorries, they have to wear the fucking.
Wait, there's another 81.
Yeah, there's 4 of them.
Maybe that one. We'll never know. She does not look as happy as you would have.
She was playing on her phone. There's 5 of them.
Fucking hell, so, that one is
That's
definitely got a car in.
Yeah, that's definitely a car.
That's definitely got a car in.
100%.
Are you recording this whole time?
Yeah. I'm uploading this for all.
Raw. I love it. Raw. These cars are music back it up.
I reckon that Max Verstappen's. Nah, probably. Oscar.
I love Oscar. I mean, I love That's definitely Lando's car, that one.
Yeah.